What I like to do is clear my mind. And I swear to you, when I do that, that is when they come. It's not just the fact that I'm not talking, it's when I clear my mind. I used to do this at the zoo. Your mentality affects your reality. It changes things, and it can change things for the better. Just by clearing my mind and feeling the peace of this moment, that's when they come around. There's meditation going on here, you guys. I'm just an old man napping next to hummingbirds. It's my meditation. The hummingbird's wings are cooling me off. I may have just achieved the deepest state of spiritual meditation that one can achieve. And I know it's true because I think I drooled. For me, moments like that are magical. That's what does it for me. And to connect with people in the same way. When you have those moments that are they're sacred.
Mother Nature's son.
Thank you. Thank you. Thank you. Thank you very much.
I gotta stop bothering these hummingbirds. They're like, you know, we really appreciate your commentary. We're hungry. Oh, wow.
So you guys okay?
Yeah, my car just broke.
Oh, is it out of gas?
No, the hose to the radiator,
Yeah.
it just snapped right off.
Dang.
Actually, do you have a screwdriver? Any chance?
I may have one. Let me get over and check out here. Dang. Well, I like your knife.
Thank you.
I hate to say it, but like when things like this happen after someone's replaced something, my question is, did they bang this around a little bit when they were doing that work, you know?
Yeah.
Did they bang that coupling? Because this, you know, sometimes they get brittle sometimes and they go, but you probably lost a little bit of fluid. I don't know how much, but it was probably spraying out pretty hard. All right, Dylan has an unusual situation. It's not the hose itself, but what it is the housing at the top part of the radiator, basically the entrance port to there. And when you see this, you realize, crap. So we have a little bit of a lip in there, and I don't know if it's enough to work with, but it might hold. It might hold because we have just a little bit there, so it's not broken off completely flush. almost wonder if you could JB weld that piece on there. Might want to keep it drop down into there on the floor, but on the ground. But
Yeah, well, I lost most of it. I got that.
oh, did you get? I've been there, man. I've been there. We're gonna give it a good shot, Dylan. We're gonna try it. We're not gonna go down without a fight. Yeah. We gotta duct tape it. Now, yes, this is better. We have what's called access. Not gonna spew over just yet. I'm gonna just pour a little more water in there. Now one goes to you for your radiator. You get to drink it.
Thank you.
It doesn't look like you lost a tremendous amount, but we get that level up. And my car is set up, my little Scion is set up to, you know, for roadside rescue. And I have radiator fluid, I have more tools, but I took my wife's car to pick up this cute little puppy that just got spayed. She's available for adoption. Oh, you want to adopt a dog? You're naughty. You're a naughty radiator. Look at this roadside treasure. I thought it was a scalpel. It ain't a scalpel. It's just a spoon that's been through some hard times. That way you can just pull out safely, and just that way it keeps you nice and safe. Dylan, we are going to make it. USA! USA! There you go. You're good. Come on out. There you go, buddy. Good young man. Kept a level head. He was just like, I'm broken down, but I'm smart. He's a very, very intelligent young man. He did everything that he could with the tools that he had. The good news is you're fully vetted. You've been given a rabies shot. You're heartworm negative. And you're spayed, you're already, and you've been given stemper shots. So you're good. We're gonna find you a good home. You're just so beautiful.
And she loves to be held.
Oh, she likes
This is her favorite.
Aww.
She's also a great snuggle bug. She wants to get down and go see her friendies. They're running
All right,
off.
let's go see this
All right,
energy
run,
here.
run.
She's so cute with her little paws. You are so cute.
She says, I had a
Well,
hard
she's
life.
social too, so she's really great with other dogs and people.
I
So,
just
it's-
started to really live. I played with a toy for the first time the other day. But
so
I
right
just
now
gave her
Linus
one
is really
today, so she's
popular.
actually had 3
He's
more.
like, I have found complete happiness. The ladies' man. Barbara Streisand, little Poppy is.
All right.
Aww.
Have my blessing.
Oh, Linus is asleep in your arms.
And little Mocha just found a home.
And if for some reason it is
Mocha just found a home.
Or applying for this dog?
Christine.
Christine.
That is.
Breaks your heart, right?
Well, she's just so delicate and sweet, and you can just feel her heart. And the dog is doing well too.
Yeah. I like
That's the way I do it on the trail. So tell me what happened. The owners brought her in
Well-
a cardboard box?
They claimed a young man,
Right,
who I would assume his mom drove him, but a young man brought her in a box
right.
and said that he found her at Breaker and 35, which would be one of the biggest highways in Austin.
Okay,
Said that.
it's possible, but
It's possible, but at the time, she was very growly and snappy, so
what was her deal when she came? First off, we're both fighting an upper respiratory, she and I
hers
both.
became pneumonia. And when she came, she was completely impacted.
Pain.
She was in serious pain.
Isn't that just like people, though? I mean, think about it. We're not bad people half the time. Most of us are in pain, like either physically or emotionally. I got your bun there. You have a lump.
I have a man bun.
Yeah. Well, you're a woman. It should not be a man bun.
I know, but now I'm hip and trendy.
Oh, wow. I think you need to keep it a woman bun.
Oh,
I mean, I'm open-minded, but
okay. All right.
I just don't want to touch a man bun on my woman bun.
My wifey.
My wife bun. It's a wife bun.
The wife bun.
Most of us don't really have behavior problems. We're nursing things.
We gotta work it out.
Well, thank you for taking this little girl on.
Oh, she's a precious angel. She's fighting.
It's getting there. What kind of treatments is she getting right now?
She's on 2 different medications. She's nebulizing, and then for her other stuff, we add fiber to her food.
Christine built a nebulizing box for her that is basically a crate with towels around it so she can get the benefits for her lungs. You know, I should be doing that right now.
I know why.
Right? No, now the humans will be fine. Let's just take care of
Let's
the
just,
dogs.
put all the effort into the dogs.
Yeah, but here's the thing.
Although if we die, they got nothing.
Yeah, that's true. Looking good. You are looking good. Little Trudy Booty. I talked about once how we fall into these trenches sometimes. It's just life, it's circumstance, it's struggles, and we're down, we're stuck, we're in this narrow gorge, and we crawl our way out of it. We get out of it with our own strength and sometimes with the help of other people. And for me, that's the greatest part of that journey, is to crawl your way to the top, but then turn around and look behind you and offer someone your hand and say, come on, let me help you. That defines my entire existence. It defines why I make these videos, because we're all now helping each other. That's why Christopher helped build UncleMullet.com, so that we could see good and connect and be there for one another. Just encouragement. Or make a video about your experience, or share your art or your passion to write something extraordinary that changes someone else's life for the better. To me, that's what it means to be a success, a true success. Now, I know a lot of y'all looking, you see everything back here. You realize all the things I got, all right? Okay, this ain't changed me, none. I'm still regular Uncle Mullet, talking about myself in third person. How y'all doing? Some squirrels over there. Till next time, y'all, be good to one another, live to write another day. Thank you.
You're hearing the sound of the 7-year locusts. They live in the ground, dormant, for 7 years. For 7 years they live in the ground and they crawl out of the earth. Leave their carcass, their exoskeletons into the next evolution, and they become glorious cicada 7-year locusts. And then they get eaten by birds.
It's the circle of life.
Wow.